world keep trying to make this world a better place for me. They just can't understand how it's so hard to do. Just the system is just not working. Cause there's too much easy and easy. Why won't they try something new? Whoa. Yes, it's time we understand. Lord, together we can build a better land. Oh yeah, I said each man is a brother and each man is a friend. So we must spread some love around. What we need is love. All we need is love. Heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. Hear me when I call. Heaven help us all. Heaven help the black man with his back against the wall. Heaven help the white man, see his kingdom is about to fall. Heaven help the man who keeps the other man until they go. Yeah. Heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. Hear me when I call. Heaven help us all. Heaven help the ghetto youths who roaming on the streets. Heaven help the little youths with no shoes on their feet. Heaven help the little youths who got no food to eat. Heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. It's a while since I've been trying to get it, but you keep on saying you don't know what to do. Don't know much about you yet, you're always on my mind. So all we gotta do is leave it to time. Everything will be fine. Time alone can. Leave it to time to be fine. It's a while since I've been trying to get it, but you keep on saying you don't know what to do. Don't know much about you yet, you're always on my mind. So all you gotta do is leave it to time. Everything will be fine. Time alone can do everything. Time can move any mountain. Time will make you realize someone's in love with you. Baby, it's true. Oh. Skibidi-bidi-bidi-doo, yeah. So what are we gonna do? Punchy Lou, now you know how I feel. Will you ever realize that I'm for real? Let me assure you and not promise you I won't break your heart. Now you know it right from the start. So leave it to time. Time alone can do anything. Time will move any mountain. Time will make you realize someone's in love with you. Baby, it's true. I've lifted my eyes and I've seen the sign of the times that if I was prophesied and not in long time. Oh Lord, ignorance of our people has held us captives of our own minds. Can't you see we're running out of time? in a bingy chant right. Mother Nature revealed it, and I do believe it. Yeah. Get ready for a new time. I've seen a new sign in a bingy chant right. Mother Nature revealed it, and I do believe it. Whoa.
Cause we know we're not gonna get away with the wrongs we continue to display. Scripture from the good book say, according to our works we shall get paid. We gotta be sure the things we've done as being worthy of the soul.
Get ready for a new time. I've seen a new sign, and I bingy chant right. Mother Nature revealed it, and I do believe it. Get ready for a new time. I've seen a new sign, and I bingy chant right. Mother Nature revealed it, and I do believe it. Whoa. My Father, my God, yeah. You've been my Father for as long as I can remember. My Father till the end. You've been my friend, a friend for all eternity, the closest friend to me, yes. And when the road of life seemed rough and rocky, you were there for me. You keep me strong with your blessings and true with your mercy. You'll always be my Father, my friend, my God, my guide. Forever you will be, and I will walk by your side. My Father, my God, yeah. You've been my Father for as long as I can remember. My Father till the end. You've been my friend, a friend for all eternity, the closest friend to me, yes. And when the road of life seemed rough and rocky, you were there for me. You keep me strong with your blessings and true with your mercy. You'll always be my Father, my friend, my God, my guide. Forever you will be, and I will walk by your side. My Father, my friend, my God, my guide. My love for you I'll never hide. You are my God, the only one I ever had. You prove your love for me, yes. You are my guide, your footsteps I will walk with pride. My praises I'll give to thee. You're my Father, my friend, my God, my guide. Wherever you will be, and I will sing by your side. You always have nothing to give. No, that's not the way one should live. Living in your selfish world, and no matter if you're a boy or girl, no, cool-hearted fools. Well, maybe you won't leave me, maybe you won't lonely, but I know there's something is the matter, 'cause I see the danger in your eyes telling me something's gonna be. Let me know what is going on in our lives. If you hold on to a secret, I would like to know. You made me a promise that love will grow. They say that a promise is a comfort to a fool. Yet you come and disobey all my rules. Only a fool will be foolish enough to make it out. After all the things you've done, might as well be break it up. You said it would be forever. I told you that it can never. Your apologies are no more accepted. No, I don't see the reason for us to sit down and talk it over. I can't take another day living in this way. You are a material girl, living in a material world. You are a material girl, living in a material world. I'm not a lonely man, living all alone. You're not welcome anymore in my home.
Girl, you are a cheap side. Yesterday, you broke my little heart. Now you're running back, say you wanna make a new start. There is no reason for you come knocking on my door. There is no vacancy for you anymore. You are a cheap side and a deceiver. You ain't no good girl. You ain't no good. You took my heart and you tore it all apart. Telling your friends it was not good from the start. Seems like you were just waiting around. Just seen it fall to the ground. Girl, you are
Fighting your brothers every day. That's a pain. No sense at all. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Fighting your brothers every day. That's a pain. No sense at all. Walk down the road and you see the innocent man. You rob and stab and shooting around. And when you think it's peace and safety, it's a sudden. It's a sudden destruction. The Lord see and find your trails, and they will even cut you down. So my brethren, make it easy on yourself by doing something that's constructive. Oh yeah, my brethren, walk a mile in my shoes, and you'll be far from all around.
I need your protection and your guidance. Yeah. Some saying this and some saying that. No matter what they do, try to reach the top. I know it might not be easy, but I know it might not be easy, but just don't stop. I give a little when I can't give enough, and when there is none about the up and pop, I heard you say some of them want too much, yeah. But every drop it up, you sit down on its own bottom. In this Armageddon, you have to be strong. Only Jack can guide us along, yeah. I said the more them I rise up, I'm getting wiser to see the masses of the people who are living corrupt, yet still they're rising, they're riding for a fall. They're riding for a fall. The more them I wish, and the more them I perish. Like a smoke in the wind I can see the heathen are vanish. They're going down, 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 down to the ground. Eden, I say they're going down, down to the ground. Jarastafari on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon. Jarastafari on a Thursday, a Friday, and even Saturday too. Haile Selassie on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon. Haile Selassie on a Thursday, a Friday, and even Saturday too. Cause I said I know that Jah is here. Because this is something that I know, not just what I feel. I know that Jah is real. Yes, this is something that I know, not just what I feel. Some up on the television and I try to know the man. Feel them up because they don't know about the man. Some up on the radio and I chat to them don't know. A rumor they must make me know say nothing over. So me said I know that Jah is real. You just have to that. So, I spread propaganda from me. You just have that. So, spreading rumors on me. Stop spreading rumors. You just have that. So, I spread propaganda from me. You just have that. So. Spreading rumors on me. You should know the facts, my brother. Ooh, before you go blabbering off your mouth, saying all kind of things about me. Ooh, and you don't know my way of life. What kind of man would you be? Going around making disturbances. Know that person, you don't sound that. So, spreading rumors on me. You don't sound that. So, I spread propaganda for me. Time is gonna catch up with you. For all the evil things you do. Don't follow rumors. If you hear something about me, come say it to me, come say it to me. Don't follow what your friends are saying. They're only trying to tear us apart. So don't follow rumors, don't follow rumors. It will tear us apart. Say don't follow rumors, don't follow rumors. It will tear us apart. Now you hear, I've got this girl on the side. Oh yeah.
better confront them before you talk.
Come say it to me.
Say it to me.
Come say it to me.
Say it to me. Don't say it to no one else.
Don't follow what
Why for that?
your friends are saying.
Why?
They're only trying to tear us apart.
My God.
So
Yo.
don't follow rumors.
What?
Don't
Them going dead of
follow
rheumatism.
rumors. It will tear us apart.
Them going dead of rheumatism. Them going dead of rheumatism.
Say don't follow rumors.
Rumors bring you nowhere.
Don't follow rumors.
But take you out of here. Boy.
Tear us apart.
Can't understand what I say. Yeah, what am I worried about? Shabba, don't worry about them. What am I worried about? Me, don't worry about nobody. What am I worried about? Shabba, don't worry about them. What am I worried about? Me, don't worry about nobody. When you're up, you're up. See them a gather up. When you're down. Treat you like a clown. Safe and sound with a solid background. And at the same dirty boy from out of the compound. And that mean, you're about to carry on something.
Don't follow rumors.
I'm going to later.
Don't follow rumors.
I'm stand nigga the hot wax. I'm gonna give them a contact. Yes I am.
If you hear
Yeah?
something about me,
You better confront them before you talk.
come say it to me.
Say it to me.
Come say it to me.
Say it to me. Don't say it to no one else.
Don't follow what
Why for that?
your friends are saying.
Why?
They're only trying to tear us apart.
My God.
So
Yo.
don't follow rumors.
What?
Don't
Them going dead of
follow
rheumatism.
rumors. It will tear us apart.
Them going dead of rheumatism. Them going dead of rheumatism.
Say don't follow rumors.
Rumors bring you nowhere.
Don't follow rumors.
But take you out of here. Boy.
Tear us apart.
Can't understand what I say. Yeah. What am I worried about? Shabba, don't worry about them. What am I worried about? Me, don't worry about nobody. What am I worried about? Shabba, don't worry about them. What am I worried about? Me, don't worry about nobody. When you're up, you're up. See them a gather up. When you're down. Treat you like a clown. Safe and sound with a solid background. And at the same dirty boy from out of the compound. And that sidewalk where I used to sit down. Man used to cane and turn the place in a devil playground. Me never want me and the Eden them in a showdown. So I take my microphone and build music spellbound.
Don't follow rumors.
Rush thinking.
Follow rumors.
You went down rheumatism.
It will tear us apart.
Bust them skull because mommy and daddy be sleeping at home. In an only about 1980, we can live out any tough condition. Poor people, listen. It's gonna be better and now for poor people. It have to be better if you put God in front you. Poor people, more problem. Jailhouse and penitentiary, them a bill for with children, them rich people. You figure them now no problem. Woman go look work and them turn on why use him now. As his world keep turning, the world will make this. If people of this world keep changing, I will fool them. Let's let them go blaspheme and sin. The devil open up him out until the pagan come in. My brother indulgence in, I cannot save him. Him have to give an account for his own burden. I'm a half of David, an angel grip on a string. And the voice me receive is a news I'm missing. Poor people, more problem. Jailhouse and penitentiary, them a building with children, them rich people. You figure them now no problem. Woman go look work and them turn on and use them. The evil coming all far.
Send us your love. Love, oh child. Your mercy and your grace. Send us your love. Love, oh child. Your mercy and your grace. Nowhere, how great and how mighty is your name, and worthy to be praised.
be a winner for that. Ain't no good to be a loser. I gave all my heart and soul, yes. You got it fully on the ways control. Say the half of the story has never been told. Fulfillment of prophecy just got to unfold. I'll never betray my master for silver nor gold, no. I say I wanna live forever. I don't wanna lose my soul. Don't wanna lose my soul. Got to be a winner for that. Ain't no good to be a loser. Got to be a winner for that. Ain't no good to be a loser. I've got to be a winner, a winner.
After the preaching from Sunday to Sunday, big church I want to get a youth now go down there. When me gun me fire pastor guy them a fi run way. Cancel the baptism of a riot run there. After the preaching from Sunday to Sunday, big church I want to go youth now go down there. When me gun me fire pastor guy them a fi run way. Cancel the baptism cause them wrong. And then go seek him first, yeah me brother. Them so-called pastor too cunning and clever. Think less for people and a more about your job. Of King Selassie I work as pleasure. Looking at that, no measurement can measure. Seek him fast and you shall get delivered. The snake on the grass, they work for Lucifer. Sweat bad remarks about the emperor. Talk to every move from Zion wedding soccer. Satan's use mind and soul all about scatter. Keep pastor the preaching from Sunday to Sunday. The church I want to get a youth now that down there. And me want me fire pastor I them a fi run way. Cancel the baptism of a riot song there. Pastor the preaching from Sunday to Sunday. The church I want me empress now go down there. And me want me fire pastor I them a fi run way. Cancel the baptism cause them run.
Me no wanna gun to shoot nobody down. Me no wanna life to take my brother life. Me no wanna gun to shoot my brother down. Me no wanna life to take my brother life. Just pass me Miss Catalina. I make we clear corruption from here. Me say we pass me Miss Catalina. Right now, and we know now we get Nina. First thing, just make we chat to the media. Next thing, to all them false leaders. How come so nobody no sense in here? How we look up here, just get come in here. I mean no other than fish with me brother down. I mean no other life to take no one life. You know other than fish with my sister down. I mean no other life to take my brother life first. I them play Mr. One to all. War with the shot and them to tall. They want to bust big laugh and weep for ball. They want to run, they want to walk, left weep for broad. Yes, and them big things are going so bad. That's why they build up them a down, speak with them mad. Not even little food, one more no harm. So they say look over, that's when I'm a scandal back. Pass me, Miss Catalina. I make we clear corruption from India. And then pass me, Miss Catalina. Because we know the leader.
Boy, you figure high. Come here, say them a flex like a bride. I get to understand, say behind closed door, them all have grown by them side. Search no come a figure high. Come here, say them a flex like a bride. I get to understand, say behind closed door, them all have grown by them side. Say them a lyrics, them solid. Just the other day, me about two bull a married. Oh, you go mix up peas in a the porridge. It seems like them a youth must last them knowledge. Now understand they can't find no more courage. So it out massive if they forget damage. Turn out the fire and burn them to ashes. No boy can walk in our passage. Lordy, Lord, sir. No boy you figure high. Come here, say them a flex like a bride. Me get to understand, say behind closed door, them all have grown by them side. Certain the punk a figure high. Come here, say them a
Swing up on the politics, church and commercial. Yo, let the righteous man be exceedingly glad. Rasta bless your little and the much where you have. Yeah, it is a head struggle, get to you to the feet rod. Life you want your efforts, how could you go to no bed? Let the righteous woman be exceedingly glad. Rasta bless the youth, them with the little where them have. Yeah, head struggle, get to you to the feet rod. Life you want your efforts, yeah. Hey, me say, burn up to us, go there, Babylon a lies. No for them a pub, no for them a shop. Live in a corruption so them crime and price. No for them pollute and a pollution them a tried. Even the life of it and love going only to them pride. Them can't take me apples, can't study me wise. Live the youth in levels, Babylon you too quiet. Yo, don't get no Rasta
Rasta bless you, them with the little where them have yow. Earth struggle black woman, no fit hard. Life you want you first and
well, this girl tell me say she want to spend a 1 week of a ring with me mother-in-law. So me purchase a ticket and give her some money when me get from granny partner jar. Anyway, when she come back me, she all back chat tell her do this. She tell me say she nah. So me just pack up her things and put her through the door, make she know how me run me yard. So me never did wrong when me tell this girl figure. Me never did wrong. Man tap all and me get a blow and me never did wrong when me tell this girl feel live or you feel live. You know me house and can't sleep out with Steve. Through clothes and money, she run go take chest. For her friend them now she end up in a dark mess. When she did a date night she used to pick up her chest. Him gone, and she a go to the what live. You should have learned when you did a driving at the Benz so with a burn. Lose mommy me and her friends the table turn. She end up with a broken heart. You should have never stick to your man from the start. Me never did wrong when me tell this girl figure. Me never did wrong. Man tap all and me get a blow and me never did wrong when me tell this girl feel live or you feel live. You know me house and can't sleep out with Steve.
You should not do that, woman, you should not do me that. Shouldn't do me that, woman, you shouldn't do me that. No, you African girl, you're bringing me the comfort. To the max, alright. This girl, you disrespect me. For your friend, I know she would have loved to have me again. Hey, but disrespect what we have going on. And me the promise I will keep her warm. Woman, you this the man we love, you know the man left you a call. I know she up and down and I make me a phone call. Oh, she wants him, oh, she need him after all, after what she call. Make it alone because I love lifestyle. Night time she said it's just loneliness. She missing me, she missing all the happiness. Yes, to herself me know she must confess. Treatment when me give her she never get it yet. Because she disrespect me. For your friend I know she could have loved me and me again. Hey, got disrespect what we have going on. And make the promise I will keep her warm. Woman, you should not do me that. Shouldn't pull out such act. You fall off in your friend, them see they know where you clap. Them can you on the track, your place like some idiot. When you think of it, that look, you have your eyes them locked. Don't be certain. She woulda want to rally back. I know 1 time, 2 time from me door she come and knock. But I'm an African princess bringing me the comfort. From 1 to 1 down the club. This girl you disrespect me. For a friend I know she coulda love to have me again. Hey, got disrespect what we have going on. And make the promise I fi keep her warm. Well, from a certain girl me say me have to walk far. She's no strength of mine just to kill it far. She make a up the foot and because of the flower. One bag of sitting one ear, me no star. She can't look me in my eyes. She know to herself, they go tell her to step aside. I don't me step on them shame and pride. But you got to know what and what to avoid. This girl got this respect me. For your friend, I know me know she.
Prestige, AJ.
This also.
Look my breath, look what you see is going on. How many youth has been kicked in tribal war? Kill by Babylon, ignorant, innocent, been born. Some youth is going to the west, oh yes. Some youth is going to the north. Some youth is going to the south, oh yeah. Some youth is going to the far east. Now my brothers and sisters, you better listen to me. Stop the work foolish fighting. It's much more that we have lost it. We gotta fight for right, oh yes. Truly, but don't be no. Truly, reggae music's up to the wall. Them say truly.
Rocking and slocking, get that kind of spin. Here we go. It's just reality. It's a barocking mind. Reality, somebody advice and still looking blind. And hear me, reality. It's a barocking mind. Reality, blind people must have been blind swine, you know. But what about the arm that has never been told? It has been up in the next man's soul. No white man come in and take fully control. What I do? From all the silver and all and the gold. It's like black man from God, them a get a skull. Them acts so big, mighty, strong and bold. It's just reality. It's a barocking mind. Reality, some of them advice and still looking blind. They give me reality. It's a barocking mind. Reality, some of them advice and still looking blind. What's this? Woman, when you get me from them can't hand me. All I say me don't know me reality. Come down. Woman, when you get me from them can't hand me. All I me not know me reality. Malcolm X is making up people history. Now time Martin Luther King and Marcus Garvey.
Have no heart. Oh, the murder people we don't second thought. Hey, you a chat about you have no heart. And you murder people all without a cause. You is a fraud, all a pass. You can't say you bed lucky or see your son. When now you will drop bendy asshole. And you live up and run like a cherry ball. People branded and that is no man's fault. No remember yesterday when you come a ex-con. Big things pop up now, somebody like lost. Better you play down cause every man love talk. From our run violence, the man them be born. Stop acting illiterate, foolish and dark. Oh, you love no heart. Oh, you murder people without second thought. You that see you the boy them selling down no heart. And the murder people all without a thought. But them a God because enough of them a smoke and a take life is hope. Now read them Bible and think about the Pope. War and violence is all them support. Dedicate them life to the crack and the coke. All wicked men shall sink in our boat. Feel it hard, me a fiola, you know. Hey, go see that you stay there a pop boat. Last year compass, that's why you miss your post. Boy, you don't know. Oh, you murder people without second thought. Hey, you a talk about you don't know. And you murder people all without a cause. You is a fraud.
Problem with the girl I love. Only for them we said them know back on. Them never know the place I was. People will know the real trouble we feel. And people like speed and cause. This music is like a battle to me. Cheech and Raj. But in the midst of all his enemies, try you keep me firm and strong. Bad mind and jealousy just get me feel. Try you keep me firm and strong. Give me the energy you need. Try you keep me firm and strong. And only keep winning by enemy. That's so tough.
Some people suffer obstacles, my journey continue. The devil is always gonna be around, constant you. Every single day will be constant you. Some people suffer obstacles, my journey continue. The devil is always gonna be around, constant you. Every single day will be constant you.
Let's wash away all the tears from my eyes. In times when the storms and the tides are raging high, we know we shall win, yeah. We know we'll survive, yeah. Just wash away You know why? You know why? Yes, them have the heart of a pagan. The children have the heart of a lion, I know. Evil a move with Satan. Righteous treading the countenance of the Almighty One. He don't know the right and do the wrong shall be sprung with ministry. When the heathen come to children step one. Even though they make mention of them and those, fire will never be free. Fire burn. You know why? You know why? Yes, them have the heart of a pagan. The children have the heart of a lion, I know. Evil a move with Satan. Righteous treading the countenance of the Almighty One. Them have the heart of demons. The children have the heart of a lion, I know. Evil a move with Satan. Righteous walk in the countenance of the Almighty One. But people see hostility rising daily. Ignorant multiply brutality. We I see that they run down left mommy. Fi struggle the hard road with fight beginning. Our I see baby having baby. Nothing that happen now do not seems to amaze way. We know that is the fulfillment of prophecy. Our I see them no build school is church and penitentiary. Church then the penitentiary never empty. Still playing on mental trick on me. Listen, you check you and me check me, and let's bring more love in the black community. Them are the heart of a pagan. The children of the heart of a lion, I know. Evil a move with Satan. Righteous walk in the countenance of the Almighty One. Them are the heart of demons. The children of the heart of a lion, I know. Evil a move with Satan. Righteous walk in the countenance of the Almighty One. Respect the father of the prophet Moses and Abraham. You have to respect the father of Jacob and Solomon. Respect the creator of many nations. He made the birds, he made the bees, the fishes of the ocean, and fasten them together with his mighty. And he made the man, he made woman, children, the future of the land. So who is you to disrespect the creator, man? 72 nations bow down and crown him conquering one. It would be beautiful in the sight of God, the Holy One, to see the unification of my nation.
Me nah love in a next man territory. Gangsta you nah linger. Banana banana. Me nah love in a next man territory. Gangsta you nah linger. Banana man borderline. Me just pick up my whip and turn on the cashier. Skin but let me use casket soda. I'm not a loaf around, so don't you treat a gangster you like no clown. Or it will be a showdown, and certainly your body I go left on the ground. A pennywise and a quatty foolish. You're bound to get fling in the ditch. Me nah love in a next man territory.